Today, I will show you how to use this faucet. Turn this knob left or right to adjust the water temperature. There are 5 gears in total. Touch the screen and water comes out of the faucet. Touch the screen again to stop water flowing. Press and hold the screen for 3 seconds to enter the setting interface. Press the screen again and use the knob to select the parameters that need to be adjusted. Return, cleaning mode, brightness adjustment, and kindergarten mode, which means only 45 degrees Celsius water will come out. Boiling point adjustment is to adjust the maximum temperature of the outlet water. It can be adjusted from 80 to 93 degrees Celsius. Press again to return. Brightness adjustment can adjust the display brightness of the screen between 10 to 100. Cleaning mode is to empty the water in the machine. Return. After pressing, return to the initial interface. That's all. Thanks for watching.